Hello, this is George with the Harmony Trading System coming to you from Frisco, Texas. And we're going to do a quick run-up of the market, where we're at today and where we're going to be looking forward for tomorrow as far as price levels and actual trade setups. And we're going to start off with NQ 100. And during the intraday price action trading, we ran up to 90.2275. The high, we pulled back off of it significantly. We opened globacks with an inside day. We are looking for a potential retest of that 9,000 level. If we test that well, then we're going to be breaking out to higher prices. Believe it or not, we have a potential for covering that gap. That takes us all the way to 94.86, and at that point, you will get a freak out of all the bears, because that means that the market is gearing up for an actual run up to the high. All-time high. This price action is not acting like a pandemic is anywhere close, which is fairly deceptive. It is kind of getting a bit tired here, so we need to watch for a two-sided market and not get trapped on one side or the other. And how will we do that? If we break below 88.73, then we're going to be looking more into a shorting opportunity. If we continue to trade above that 8,900, then we're looking for pullbacks as a buying opportunity, as long as we don't break that 88.76. So that is NQ in a nutshell. We're taking a quick look at crude. Crude made a nice run up today, significant run up. We're coming to the middle of the range. This price is very vulnerable for a pullback. We are looking for a retracement into the mid-20s, 21 to 20. Within the next couple of days, as long as we don't break above 27. And we're going to keep a closer eye on that price action. We are still within the channel on the downside. ES is very typical, similar to NQ. We're having, it's weaker actually. We cannot cover that gap. 2,900 is significant, and as long as we are within that, this price action is vulnerable for a pullback. The overall price action right now is really kind of shaping up on the long side, and a run up to target number 129.47 can happen fairly soon in price stability and good earning news that's coming up right now. And that's it for today. Looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow on our next review.